Welcome back, welcome back. This is the DMV Wigs Doctor, located in Bowie, Maryland. Oh yes it is, honey. And we are back and ready to attack. Corona, you cannot hold us back. You better get away from us, Corona, okay? And before we have a beautiful, she's not a hair loss warrior, but she is a bridal warrior. Oh yes, she is. She is getting ready for her big day. She has a nice photo shoot. And she is just going to be looking amazing. Look at that hairline, honey. We have plucked, tucked, bleached, and tweaked that hairline to the best of our perfection. I know she could even made it even more thinner, but she didn't want to go too thin. There's many variations that can be done. And if you would like to set up an appointment, please feel free to book us at mainattractionshair.com. We have private suites available, and we are COVID ready. Yes, we are. We are Merlin strong, and we're ready to take the hair weaving game on our course. Book now.